So in this Canva tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to flip text here on Canva. So first thing you have to do is type some text that you want to flip. So I'm just going to go to text here on the left hand side, go to add a heading. And just for simplicity's sake, I'm going to type in the word text. I'm going to make it all capitalized. And I'm going to make the text a little bit larger so it's a little bit easier for you guys to see. So as of right now, there's not really an option for you to flip text here on Canva, whereas if you were to upload an image or just I guess paste an image, I'll put an image of this dog right here. I'll place it in right here. If you press on the image, you actually have the option up here to flip it. You can flip it horizontal, you can flip it vertical, but you actually can't do that with a text. So what you have to do now is you actually have to save this text as an image. So I'm just gonna go ahead here, save it as an image, quick download to my computer, then I'm gonna upload it. I'll catch up to you guys in 2 seconds. Okay, so I have now successfully downloaded this text as a transparent background. So as you can tell in the uploads tab on the left-hand side, I have this exact same text uploaded now as an image. So what I can do here is just delete the original text. Now I have this text. Now if I just want to make it, if I want to flip it around, it's pretty simple. You just go to the top here where it says flip. You can flip it horizontal if you want. You can flip it vertical if you want. You can flip it horizontal and vertical. If you want to change the direction of it, you can do that as well. Basically, whatever you want to do as an image, you can do that now by flipping the text whatever way you want. Hopefully this video helps. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.